Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to securely store secrets in Azure Key Vault and use them in your .NET Core or .NET 8 Web API. We will go step by step from creating the Key Vault, adding secrets, configuring RBAC to reading secrets in your API and testing it in Swagger, right? By the end of this video, you will have a secure API with no secrets stored in your code. Okay, so to start this one, we have the steps. So step one is we need to install some initial softwares or some subscription. So first step is we need to have one Azure subscription. So then we can use the portal, Azure portal, right? Second one, we need .NET 6, 7 or 8 installed on your machine. Then you need to have Visual Studio 2022 or VS Code. Then you need Azure CLI installed on your machine. And make sure all those things you have installed before you need to start on this topic, right? So this is the step one. Step two is create Azure Key Vault, right? So to create Azure Key Vault, we need to go to Azure portal. We need to create the resource and then we need to create the Azure Vault, right? Okay, let me go to the Azure portal. I will show you there everything, right? First of all, about the resource, I have already created the resource. So I'm directly going to Azure Key Vault. You can search the Azure Key Vault from here in the search bar. Once you can see the Key Vault. And then you can create a Key Vault as per your need. You can give the name. So you need some subscription here, either that is basic or any subscription. Then you need to use your resource group. Right now I am using test group, but you can use any of the group, right? The group is just for the logical information or segregation of your things, right, in Azure. You can give any name here, and then you need to if you are in India, then you can select the Central India itself, right? Then you just need to review and create this. So the pricing tier are two types. One is the standard, second one is the premium one, right? So you can choose any of them, and if you want to do soft delete enable or something like that, so you can add the information in Key Vault itself, right? Once you review and create, so you will see this Key Vault in the list like this. I have created this Key Vault here. Once you create the Key Vault, then you need to go to add the secret, because right now this is the store. We don't have any information here. So once you create this one, the next step is you can go here. Then you need to go to secrets. So let me search the secrets where I will add Key Vault, means key value pairs. So here I have already added these three keys, right? So we can add the new one also. Like I want to add key or Key Vault demo, right? And the value is, I have added demo, right? So you just need to give the value, key and name and the secret value here, right? No need to set anything. You can set if you want, otherwise you don't need to set anything here. Once you do this, you just need to do the create, right? And you will see I've added the Key Vault, and the way you add is you need to add hyphen 2 times to add this Key Vault here. Once you add the secrets under this Key Vault, you just need to go to Azure IAM access control, right? Inside the access control, you need to go to the role assignment, because for every user, even you are the admin, you should have some role to access these keys. Otherwise you cannot access these keys. I was the admin, that's why I have added this Key Vault secret officer to my user. So how you can add? You just need to go to this add. You need to go to add assignment. Then for this particular user, you can search the uh, roles here. Like I have added the officer. Right, so you can see the secret officer here. I have added from here, and you just need to do the next. Once you do this one, so your key vault is means ready to use now. Right, how you can verify this one means you can verify this in Azure CLI itself. So we are ready to use this one now. And what is the name of my access keys? I have this Manoj key. Right, so there is the command to access these keys. Let me go to the CLI. Right, once you go to the CLI, right, I am here. So you just need to run one command. So you can see all the values, means all the listing here with this particular secure secret list, and the keyword name is Manoj task. So let me run this command so that we can see is that working or not. So it will read the live data from the Azure Key Vault, and you can see in JSON format here, right? So we have three values, so I have added these three here. We have one now, right? Because we have added one more latest one, right? Okay, so you can see the secret name, secret key, whatever the name is there, you can see here. And the value you can not see here, you just need to use inside your code. So this one we have added key vault demo, right? Now the next step is step 5. So step 5 is related to basically create the .NET Core Web API. So to create that one, you need to go to the projects, and then you need to create a new project with .NET Core Web API, right? And then you need to add some packages, right? You need to add some packages. So what I did, let me go to the code directly. You will see everything there. So what I am saying that Azure Services Integration, I have created one project here with .NET Core API, and these are the packages you need to add, right? I have added these three packages, 1, 2, and 3. These three packages you need to add here, and I have created one task controller, right? So this controller is to get the secrets. Previously I have added two secrets. I will show you these two. Then I will add the new keys also here, and we will see if we can see the data here. Okay, this is the thing. And then in the Azure setting, let me see if I have added something here. Here is nothing. Then in the program itself, you need to do some code for Azure Key Vault. So what I have added, first of all, you need to create a client. And how you can create, this is the Key Vault name, right? So you need to put your Key Vault name here, then this is the URL for the Key Vault. So everything will be same for everyone, just this Key Vault will be changed. And these two lines of code is there only. It will pick the data from the Azure Key Vault, and then it will add to the configuration itself, and then from the configuration you can read the data everywhere where you want to read, right? So this is the only thing you need to do, and you can use these keywords anywhere using the Azure using the configuration, right? So let me go back to this test, and here we are adding this configuration, injecting this one, and then we are using. Let me run this code, and we will see how it is working right now, and we will see how we can add more data here, right? Let me run this code. or it is taking some time to run. Let's wait for some time. We'll see how it will work. Let's wait for this for a couple of seconds. Okay, so it is running now, right? We can see. Let me go to this code and try this out. Right, it will go to this one and it will bind these two records here, right? My super secret value and then secret one. So these are the values in the Azure, right? And my secret and then my secret super. So this is picking based on this value. So how we can read in the code? We need to just replace this hyphen with this colon, and you can see this one. Let me pick the name from here, Key Vault demo, right? We will run this one, demo, then the name is this. Let me rerun this one. We'll see if this is able to pick the values. Okay, so inside this demo it is not getting. Let me see. Oh, this is wrong, so we need to add this one, right? Let us see now. Inside the demo we can see the demo value, whatever we have added there, we can see this one, and this config we can use anywhere in our project, either that is service, that is controller, anywhere. So we don't need to add the secrets, the connection string inside the app setting. We just need to use basically the Azure Key Vault. So what are the benefits of this one? Means we have some of the tips for this. Like for the production one, we need to use manage identity in Azure App Service or AKS. We need to remove any secrets from the app settings, right? Assign keyword secrets, user role to your app service. This way your API is fully secure and does not store secrets in your code, right? So these are the things we need to take care. This is very useful, and I'm using this one in most of the projects right now. So always test access with CLI before using in the API. So you can connect your local Azure CLI and you can run the commands there. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video I'll come with the new topics. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, you can like, share and subscribe for more Azure and .NET tutorials. And thanks a lot.